Hey guys, thanks for tuning into my Florida drive-by. We're looking at like 8:30 in the morning on a Monday morning, April 2nd, 2016, about 76 degrees out. And I hope everybody's doing great. I'm on the I-75 going northbound, and I hope everybody is doing cool. I wanted to bring up something here on today's drive-by, Southern Florida drive-by. This is basically, you know, what I think the best 22 caliber gun is. There's a lot of 22 calibers. Smith & Wesson makes a revolver. Smith & Wesson makes an automatic 22A. Hot Dogger 808, he has a Smith & Wesson 22A. I actually have owned a bunch of 22s. They also make, Ruger makes a bunch of 22s. They make the semi-automatic, modern style type, like pistol type. Then they make the standard, your Mark 1s, 2s, and 3s, I think there's a 2 in there. I know there's a Mark and 1 and 3. Then they make your Ruger 2245 and 2245 lights and stuff. So they make a lot of 22s. They make, of course, rifles and stuff, your 10-22, bunch of Rugers. I think they make a few something else, but they make a bunch of them. Walther makes some. Everybody makes 22s. There's a lot of companies make 22s. There's a myriad. Kimmer makes them. They make conversion kits. Glock makes conversion kits. So there's a lot of them out there. So trying to decide what the best one is, the decision that everybody sometimes tries to make. I mean, there's many times I bought like conversion kits and I've sold them because they ran like shit with the gun. I didn't really care for them. So conversion kits are okay, but they're not always perfect. Most of your conversion kits, when you get them, they want you to use like CCI mini mags. I guess those are the most reliable bullets, but you have to use certain types, or they want you to use Remington golden bullets and stuff like that. They want you to use certain bullets on their conversion kits to run correctly, and it says it right in the directions. Most of the time when I buy a conversion kit for a gun, which consists of the whole upper, the slide, the spring, the firing pin, the ejector, the whole slide assembly, they're usually made out of aluminum, lightweight aluminum, and they'll fit usually a lot of guns, except like the 22s for the Glocks, so only fit the 22 Glock, certain Glocks. Yeah, some 1911 conversion kits will fit a wide range of 1911s too. Because that platform's a little easier, that frame, standard frame is a standard frame, so it's just, most slides and those conversion kits will fit. Usually looking at 10 rounds, magazine capacity, and some have the feature where the slide will not lock back, and some do. It's just a few companies that make them. Kimber makes them. Advantage Arms make them. I think there's another company, 2 or 3 other companies. There's only 2 conversion kits I've had. But conversion kit prices, used market, probably about $200 to $250. Brand new, probably about $325 to $375 over that range. Advantage Arms, the nice thing about that, you can get a 22 round extension magazine for those guns. And I actually have one sitting in my safe because I had the Advantage Arms and I had the 22 magazine for it, the round one. So I did have one there, and I still got it. But yeah. I did, for my NRA instructor's certification, use my Ruger Mark III with the bull barrel to do my certification. So I practiced and used that. My range stuff was done with a 45, my F&P, but for the inside, I did a lot of shooting with my 22. It was okay, fairly accurate, even with these old eyes, but, over there you had to shoot at 50 feet, which is kind of hard when you got crappy eyes. But anyway, So I guess I would have to say the Ruger products, usually your standard Rugers like your Mark 1s, Mark 2s, Mark 3s. I think there's a Mark 2. I've had a 3 and a 1. And the Ruger 2245. I probably wouldn't do the light because I don't, the accuracy, they're not really heavy guns. But I have really never had any failure to feeds or failure to fire with those guns that I mentioned. I did have an SR-22, which I did not like it. I had a failure to fire, actually the magazine disconnect died. So I had a problem internally with the magazine disconnect. So I had to actually send it back, and I got it fixed, and then I just sold it after that. And actually then I bought the 2245. So, you know, gross figures, right? Go figure. And they make various models of 2245s. They make one with a fluted barrel, a hunter, and there's a target one with a bull barrel, and different stuff like that. The bull barrels I tend to like because it's nice and heavy, and the weighted gun is a little bit better for accuracy, less recoil on that. Whereas when they flute the barrels and lighten everything up and stuff, and they have the light model, I just think it's too light. You know what I mean? Not that there's a lot of recoil on a 22, there isn't, but a little heavier gun is better. And you'll find out some of the Volkwarzen or whatever they are. Those are modified Rugers that they modify the hell out of them, put all different kind of stuff on them and barrels and stuff. And 22s, the rifles too, they do for competition. And you know, they put bull barrels on them and make them heavy and all these weights and stuff. And they're quite expensive. Those are target guns for you know, competition shooting. So, but I want to bring that up. You know what I think, in my estimation, 22, and it's the only reason because I shot that 22 and I did my qualification with it. And I never had any jamming. I had jamming with conversion kits and other 22 pistols that I did buy. And you know, don't forget, you know, the 22, number one, is not a centerfire cartridge. Neither is the 22 shorts or CB shorts or 22 Magnum. So, you know, those bullets also, if you look at them, are very small, so they're very fragile. They bend easy, they deform easy. There's not much to hold them together because it's only 22 caliber, 22-inch diameter. It's not like a 9mm or 40 or 45. You know, those are a little bit better the way they're made, and it's center fire. So there's a little bit more accuracy on those bullets, and you know, they'll feed a little bit better. But even when I do get my 22s, I still do polish the feed ramp and the chamber on them real good. And I always oil the guns real good, but that chamber and that feed ramp, I polished, you know, basically every gun I get, the feed ramp and the chamber. Now you can't go wrong with some of the Smith & Wesson revolvers, and some of them, I think they're 6-shot. I forgot the model, but that's a heavy gun, and with nice heavy barrel and stuff, all stainless steel or carbon steel with bluing on it. Those are nice. They'd be very accurate at range too because they're heavier guns. You need that weight, you know, to balance the gun and to get that accuracy. The polymer ones are a little tougher. I mean, they're light guns, they're small, but you know, that extra added weight always helps, especially in 22 shooting. Absorb that recoil. And I just wanted to bring that up. And you know, like even the same thing in like 45s and 40s, that helps in recoil. That's why so many people get the 19. It's a heavy gun, 1911. It's so heavy. It's got a lot of weight. It absorbs a lot of the recoil, and you know, it's just more accurate in that aspect. But thanks a lot, guys, and I really appreciate everybody tuning to my videos. I hope everybody is doing great, and have a great day. Bye.